What's up, guys? And welcome back to another I Know First video. We've created an artificial intelligence predictive algorithm that forecasts the stock market on a daily basis. Our goal is to find the best investment opportunities and beat the stock market. Today, we will do an updated Microsoft versus Apple stock forecast and see if the I Know First AI algorithm has changed its mind on which stock is the best stock to buy right now. Before we dive deep, check out this blazing sample forecast on screen. On May 2nd, 2025, our AI flagged a batch of stocks to outpace the S&P 500 over a 3-day sprint. Names like Boot, Uber, IESC, and ALF were in the mix, but IESC stole the show, skyrocketing 13.70% in just 3 days. The whole forecast averaged a blistering 5% return, while the S&P 500 limped along at 0.83%. That's our AI flexing its market-crushing muscle. In our last video, our AI picked Microsoft as the buy and snubbed Apple. As you can see, in the 1-month forecast and the 3-month forecast, our artificial intelligence had Microsoft above Apple. Microsoft had a higher predictability and signal in both timeframes. Therefore, our AI chose to buy Microsoft. If you want to check out our first Apple versus Microsoft video, click the link in the description. The result? Microsoft surged 8.7% to the top trend line, while Apple, left off the buy list, cratered 16.92%. Something to note was that this AI forecast was made on February 27th, which is over a month before the tariffs went into play and Liberation Day went into effect. And so our AI found a good positive stock while most of the market was down. That's a massive win for our YouTube crew getting these live stock picks. In our last Apple versus Microsoft video, we broke down their growth and profitability. Both were riding high with growing net margins last quarter, but the tables have turned. Microsoft's net margin surged over 6%, while Apple's tanked by more than 11% quarter over quarter. You can see the numbers on screen. This shift is a game changer, and our AI's got the scoop. Everyone's buzzing about the China tariffs, but will they bruise these giants, or are they too big to flinch? Apple's sounding the alarm. If the tariffs hit full force, they're staring at a $900 million loss next quarter. That's a gut punch, and our AI's picking up the warning signals loud and clear. And Apple's supply chain leans hard on key countries. China faces 145% tariffs, India 26%, and Vietnam 46%. That's a recipe for pain. The numbers are on screen, and they paint a stark picture of the challenges Apple's up against in this tariff storm. Microsoft, on the other hand, is better insulated. Their software-heavy focus spares them the hardware hits Apple's taking, though they'll feel some heat from Taiwan and South Korea. Still, our AI sees Microsoft as the sturdier bet. Apple's showing more cracks, like a slowing PE ratio that's dipping into discount territory. In our last video, we nailed the technical analysis. Apple was at the top of an uptrend, as shown in the left chart on screen, and we said it would go down to the bottom of the trend. Now, the right chart proves we were spot on. Apple's price has slid to the bottom of the trend. Will it bounce or keep falling? Our AI's got a bold call. Our Microsoft technical analysis tells a different story. Last video, we flagged a downtrend wedge with a support line. See the left chart on screen. The current chart on the right shows the price dipped below support, then rocketed back post-earnings to the top trend line. Our AI's technical analysis was picture perfect, catching every twist. Let's talk live forecasts. For the 3-month time frame, Microsoft's sitting pretty at the top of our AI's rankings, with rock-solid predictability, while Apple's forecast is negative, landing it at the bottom. Our AI's clear. Buy Microsoft, short Apple. The forecast chart on screen shows it all. The 1-year outlook is just as spicy. Microsoft boasts stellar predictability and a phenomenal signal, screaming confidence in its upward trajectory. Apple? Not negative, but our AI predicts it'll stagnate, making Microsoft the clear winner. See the 1-year forecast on screen. Our AI's betting big on Microsoft's dominance. Our AI's got a killer track record with these giants. On March 4th, 2024, it picked the top 10 stocks for the next year, doubling the S&P 500's profits. Apple was the third best performer, soaring 31% before a timely sell-off our AI dodged. On April 28, 2024, our AI tapped Microsoft as a top 7-day buy, and it jumped 11.31% in a week. The charts are on screen, proving our AI's picks are money. Thanks for watching. If this video got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-driven insights. Here's to smarter, AI-powered investing. See you in the next one.